Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about CT polarity. So the CT circuit looks like this. We have, in most of the cases, or our standard numbering is or nomenclature that we use in describing CT is, for primary we are using P1 P2 and secondary S1 and S2 and sometimes S3 is also there depending on the number of cores that we have in the secondary. All right, now these are dot also that we have indicated just to make us understand the current direction, whether it's entering in or move out of P1 or S1 like that. Okay, so in this case this is the circuit. The very first one, P1, P stand for primary and S stand for secondary, right? So the circuit looks like this. And yes, if I have to, okay, let me first see when the current is entering, or if the current direction is like this. If the current is enters from P1 and leaves P2, right? If the current direction is in this fashion, then the Newton's third law also is applicable in this case. That is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So the current is in the secondary will counteract the primary current, that it will be from S2 to S1, right? If the current in the primary is from P1 to P2, then the current in the secondary will be from S2 to S1, that is inside the CT, but outside in the circuit it will be from S1 to S2. All right, so this is how we mark also in most of the cases. We mark S1 as red and S2 as black. All right, now see, if the current direction is like this, the secondary current will be S2 to S1. All right, now if we reverse the current, see, if the current direction is from P2 to P1, then again the Newton's third law of every action there is equal and opposite reaction, that is, the current will act in counter the primary current, that it will be internally or inside of the CT, it will be from S1 to S2. All right, so this is how we understand about this, right? P2 to P1, then inside the CT will be from S1 to S2. All right, so that's all about the CT polarity. So thank you. One more thing I forgot to mention is that, for simplicity, you can just say that if we just put the dot, okay, if in the primary the current enters from the dot it enters, it will leave in the secondary, it will leave the dot, right? So and the other way around is also true. If current leaves from P1, it will enter from the dot in secondary. All right, so this much only. Thank you.